Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video, and in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and get your EIN number in Florida. And this whole process is super fast, super easy, and I'm going to make it as inexpensive as possible. So click the link in the description below. It's going to take you to the Tailor Brands website, and I'm going to show you on my computer screen at the same time you do it on yours. Basically, so you can just follow right along, and I'm going to tell you what to fill out for every single question. And yeah, we're going to make it really fast and easy. The process is like 5 minutes. So again, click the link in the description below, and let's just get right into it. So this is the Tailor Brands website, and I love using Tailor Brands to get my LLCs for businesses because it's just really easy and really straightforward with everything. So let's start by clicking Florida. And now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available. So I do eyelash extensions. I'm going to type in my business name. Okay. And what stage are you currently in? And now as far as an industry, you'll see as you type a letter in, you get like unlimited options. So you can more than likely find a category that you fall into. And then are you offering a physical good or a service, or maybe both? So click all that apply here. And if you don't know, or maybe you have employees, you want to change your mind later on, that's fine. Just click wherever you are at the moment. And then again, if you have a goal, you can click this. If you're not sure, you can just click you don't know. Now, you're going to use the zip code of your business. So if you have a storefront or shop, use that zip code. And if you don't, you can just use your home zip code right here. And then are you serving customers online, at a shop or store, or on the go? So again, click all that apply here. Okay, and today I want you to click LLC and also EIN. So your EIN number is basically like the social security number of your business. So you're gonna need it when you file your taxes, and you're also gonna need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point, probably within this year, you will need to have your EIN number. And I like Tailor Brands is awesome because they're kind of like a one-stop shop for everything business related. You could see here, like if you needed a logo created or maybe like a license for something, all of it's here. Me personally, I'm not super like tech savvy, researching all this business stuff on the internet, and it stresses me out. So that's why I love Tailor Brands, because it's all right here for you, and they really like simplify it and walk you right through everything. So click whatever else you need, but today we're just gonna click these two. And this is a survey we could skip, and you found Tailor Brands through YouTube. Okay, this is a free 12-week business coaching program that Tailor Brands offers. There's no strings attached. It's basically just a free course you can pop in and out. I like taking it. I've taken it before because it's free, and it's like, it kind of helps me with my business. If you want to learn something new, you know, maybe it can help me make more money, that's great. If you want to skip it, you can hit no thanks. And now you're gonna just enter your personal information. And create a password. Okay, and again, they're asking, do you want Tailor Brands to help you create your EIN number? So if you want to save $99, you can handle it yourself, and I'm gonna tell you how to do that. It's through the IRS website where you can file your EIN, but keep in mind the IRS website, it only runs Monday through Friday. You cannot file on the weekends for whatever reason. In my opinion, I feel government websites are very outdated, very difficult to navigate, and just stressful for me. So for me, it's completely worth it to pay that $99 to have Tailor Brands file it for me, especially it's your first time doing an EIN number. You don't want to make any mistakes, and pretty much clicking this button and paying $99, Tailor Brands does all of the work for you. So it's up to you, but I'm going to click that. And as far as assigning a registered agent is pretty much a fancy term for who's going to receive the mail for your business. So if you live in Florida and your business is in Florida, you will be your own registered agent. The only time that this doesn't apply is if you live in some other state, maybe you live in California and you're opening an LLC in Florida for tax benefits, then you would need to appoint someone that lives in the state. And if you don't know anyone that lives in Florida, then Tailor Brands can help you figure it out or find someone in the state. for a fee. But again, most of you guys watching this that live in Florida, you will be your own registered agent. And it's just asking, are you sure about that? Yes, I'm sure. So every single year you have to renew your LLC. And this is no matter what state you live in, it has to be renewed every single year. So if you forget to renew it, then they'll give you a couple warnings and then you'll get hit with a bunch of late fees and fines. Obviously we don't want to pay that, right? So if you think you'll forget, but you're busy with your business and you're worried you might forget about it, Tailor Brands can renew it for you every single year. It's $199 a year. It is a little pricey, but it's still cheaper than late fees. So keep that in mind. If you think you can renew it on your own and you'll remember, just click the second option here. And would you like a branding toolkit? It's up to you. I'm going to click no. And then to get our LLC expedited to us and created in just 2 days from now, it's only $49. I like to pay it. I feel like I want it as fast as possible. But if you want to save a little money, just click the second option here and they'll get it to you in just 2 weeks from now. And an operating agreement is not needed if you are in your business by yourself. So for me, it's just myself. I own the business, I run the business. I don't need an operating agreement. You may want to consider an operating agreement if you have a business partner or partners that have ownership in your business. It kind of just helps break down the ownership and rules and duties of everyone that's included. So if you do have partners, it's only $29. But again, if you're by yourself, you do not need it. And this is a service that they have to help you basically promote on social media. Definitely highly recommend to, get your business on social media. Social media is everything now as far as getting your brand out there. So if you do want some help with it, it's $100 a month subscription, but totally not necessary. Again, it's up to you. But if you just make, an Instagram or Facebook ads, those are really great. So I'm going to click no here. And this is a formation kit. It's basically a binder with all of your important documents in it and everything you kind of need to keep your business organized. I'm going to click no just to save some money. And yes, let's get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you guys, I promised I would save you as much money as possible. So they do offer these other plans here. It has a lot of good stuff in it, but honestly, I'm not even gonna look because we're just gonna do the cheapest one possible. We don't need to pay for anything extra except for our LLC and EIN today. So now it's gonna give you the breakdown of what we're paying for. So the Florida state filing fee is $130, and that is just the state mandated fee. We're getting that free business coaching program, and then we're paying for that 2-day filing fee for $49. If you change your mind and don't want to pay the fee, you can just click this button here. That will give us our grand total for today of $179. Now, within about a week or two, then you'll be charged your EIN number for $99. So don't be surprised when you see that charge come through. It is correct. It's just for the second part of this process. So now we can go to the payment. After you enter your credit card information, they're going to ask you what address you want to use. I don't have a storefront, so I always use my home address. I've never gotten any spam mail or junk mail from when I did this before. I highly recommend to use your home address, but if you have a storefront, you can use that address instead. And if you are really worried about it, you can look up how to get a virtual address. That's an option as well. But that's it, you guys. We're totally done. You've filed your LLC and your EIN number. I hope this was really easy to follow along with, but if you do have questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'm more than happy to help you out. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.